What's up guys, this is your friend Captain DRS, and in today's video I got another unboxing for you all guys. This is Buds VS103. These are the wireless TWS. We're gonna unboxing it and shoot you. Is it good for you and should you buy one? So without any further ado, let's quickly get started. So this is how the packaging of the Buds VS103 looks like. Over here they have written the truly wireless earphones. On over here they have written the designed in India and some awards which they have received. At the back side the barcodes and some other stuff which are the quick specification with the color which is the pearl white color, and might be available in the black. We have given in the description, check it out. And the pricing over here they have written around, oh, it's 3,000 rupees, but we're gonna talk about the pricing in a later part of this video. And these are the buds looks like on the box. Over here, listen to the noise within, so we're gonna listen it too and see how it is coming out, and nothing on the bottom. So now let's get started with the unboxing firstly. Keeping the plastic aside, the box feels really nice by the way. On the top there is one seal which needed to be cut off, and I can just say it is hard seal and with the noise branding. I'm gonna cut off from the bottom. So cutting off the seal from the bottom side, now it's time to take it from the top, and this is the normal tape which easily comes off. So there is one black box, and I gotta say where does it opens, we don't know right now. I'm finding the place. Oh, nice. Okay, really nice. On the top we got some documentations by the way, and these are some hard shell documentation which is from the card. We are grateful that you are buying, register your warranty, which is warranty card. This is the instruction manual, I guess. Yeah, it is the instruction manual. The Buds V1, oh, this is okay, so this is the instruction manual. Okay, and yeah, it's a long instruction manual. It still goes on. It's up to you if you want to read it because it has some information going on, and with some stickers paired up. And yeah, if you want to advertise yourself with the noise. Over here there is a soft cushion which comes out like this. There you go. That's the Buds itself. Cover itself in the plastic. We're gonna take it off in a moment. Can make it aside. And over here I can see the cable is there, which comes out like this, and there you go. The cable and the ear tips. Okay, the cable is packed up really tightly. I can see that. The cable, I can see it's a type C cable, as you can see over here, type C to USB, and it's not a flat cable, it's a round cable, and it does the work. And these are the ear tips. It's up to you if you want to change it by the way. Keeping all things aside, now it's time to take a look at the this is how the noise earbuds looks like covered up in the plastic. Over here, as you can see, there is one tape which guards this complete plastic and which is easily to taking it off. So this is how the Buds feels like, and yeah, it is nice. And as you can see, it got some green lights going on over here, and inside this Buds there is some ribbons going on which should be taken off while okay. So there is one and another earbud. The earbuds are actually having the stickers on the bottom. As you can see, these are the blue stickers which guards the guarding point. Over here, as you can see, there are magnetic dock going on. I might say you won't be able to see it, but there are two magnetic golden dots which actually guards this. So taking it off, it's hard plastic sticker which is I kind of say not a good sticker quality. Yeah, it is been removed now. So this is how the buds looks like, and as you can see there are golden connectors going on the bottom with this 3 dots. This is the second buds, and yeah, now as you can see this also has got that. And over here they got some indication. As you can see it's the right bud and this got the left bud, and it pretty much feels a lot like I kind of say the Apple earbuds with the casing itself. So yeah, that's good. So as you can see, those were the returns going on over here, and the case is completely made out of plastic and it's good. Got the noise branding over here, the noise logo, and this green indication whenever you turn on or you can say they take off this flip and it will turn it on. At the bottom you got the type C port with this complete straight line going on, and this is completely plastic as I told you, and the hinge is kind of a good, not the best one. It does the job done, and the hinge goes like this. So that was a quick overview and unboxing. Now let's talk about it. So this noise earbuds, or you can say the Buds VS103, looks really nice in this white color. I don't know about the other color, and it feels really nice also. And in one another way, it also feels a lot like the Apple AirPods, and these are the nice. It completely fits in my palm, and they are the small also. And yeah, whenever you pull this lid up, it sounds something like this. Yeah, I kind of say you might have heard that, and that's nice, and which is really good. Also, the hinge and every mechanism over here is made out of plastic. So yeah, and this also feels rugged, not rugged, but it is having some matte finish, such as if you can hear this, it's nice, and there's one straight line going all around. It makes it feels nicer. And now let's talk about the Bluetooth and that all stuff. It got the Bluetooth 5.0 support, which is really nice. Seamless connectivity always is there. So I got my phone over here, as you can see, and now we're gonna connect it, and the lid is off, as you can see. We're gonna connect it, but also just taking your time. Okay, the pop-up is over here. Battery turned on, connected for the calls and audio. 100% battery is there, so which is really nice, I can just say. We just take it out of the box. So yeah, and it automatically changed it to 50% volume on my phone. So now let's hear some vibe. Between, I want to show it to you that the Dolby Atmos is turned on and it detected itself the music, and we're gonna hear some vibes from the Spotify, and let's get feel this. And even the earbuds are made out of plastic. Ooh, that is really comfortable, I gotta say. Compared to other earbuds, it feels nice. So the volume and everything is balanced over here. Between the song is really popping, the bass are nice. I kind of say the audio coming out is good, and if even if you have the one earbuds, let's hear to that also. Actually, the one earbuds also feels really nice. So I kind of say it's nice. Now let's turn on the Dolby Atmos and hear it once again. So this is Dolby Atmos, and it's turned off. Okay, so it doesn't feel that Dolby Atmos is needed for this, guys. They are better and best. Now let's talk about the connectivities, and I gotta say these are the touchable. Let's take it out. So we got the song going on already. Actually, if you do this, it goes down and by pressing double tapping on it, it just play pause it. So nice, I can just say. And it only acts over the left earbuds, and it actually take off when you are blowing the volume up and down with this, but I kind of say there is no need of doing that. And also right one can do it. So yeah, it's nice. Okay, thank you. Anyways, the sound is really nice. Also they got the support for the IPX5, which means the IP certified earbuds, so nice. And if you are the one who jogs and do a lot of stuff, they won't be coming out from your ears. And the ear tips are changeable, they are given inside the box also. So let me just talk about the quick specs of this earbuds also. So talking about this earbuds, or you can say the buds, it got the 18 hour of battery life, and this single earbuds got the 2 hours of battery life, and this guy is having some more power in it, so which is really nice. Also these earbuds have the 10 millimeters of drivers, which are really nice, and they are nice. As per what I have heard, they are nice. And one thing is that they also got the support for the hypersync. What is the hypersync? Got a phone over here. As you can see, it is not paired up right now. So we're gonna just pop this guy open, and within a few seconds, it will be connected. And I can just say connected. Might have seen the how much time it took, and it is really nice. Hypersync is mostly supported, and it is compatible with Android and iOS both the sides, but the Bluetooth should be turned on, so it's up to you whether you are turning it on or off. And it is like take it off and plug it in your ears, you can play your songs. And these earbuds are actually light enough, and I can just say they are really nice. And but for you, this complete case with the earbuds actually is around 31 grams, which is nice. And this single earbuds are having some really nice weight to it, which actually fits nicely and are comfortable. Also they got the multi-touch support also going on over there, which I showed you. And they're having some magnetic vibe going on at the bottom. Over here, as you can see, there's magnetic tips. Both the earbuds have those magnetic tips, and they connect it really nicely. So if we have to talk about the pricing, on the official website of the Noise, you can buy this around the 1500 INR rupees. We have given the links also in the description. It's up to you whether you want to buy it. And if I had to say anything to it, they are just awesome and sounds perfectly nicely at what pricing we are paying off. And one thing is that they don't got the support for the ANC, but no one gives the ANC at the 1500 pricing. If you find one, let me know in the comments also. Anyways, these are really nicely and compact sized earbuds, and sounds really nicely, and everything is good. And this is me, your friend Captain Diaz. You all are watching KRS and Diaz. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay connected. Liking, sharing, subscribing, gonna be appreciating our work. Peace out.